How to make a cinnamon and clove spray to protect your house. Split a handful of cinnamon into a stick and cloves, about 20 grams of each will do. Boil a water and pour it in 300 milliliters glass bottle and add cloves and cinnamon. Let rest for a few minutes. After cold, place in a sprayer for easier application. Apply at the entrance of the house and in the four corners of each room. Shopping atmosphere is great too. This recipe can be used whenever you feel tired, without energy, from to very simple ingredients. Cloves and cinnamon, and with a lot of faith, bring protection and remove negative energies from the house. Please comment, like and share for more great Ashley Herbal.